Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's going to be a little bit different. I bought this KOBALT Electric Mower on the marketplace for $20 and just took a chance. I figured it might work. Maybe somebody just stole it. And it doesn't have a battery, it didn't have the charger, but I figured I'd give it a shot. So what I did was I bought the battery for $80 on Amazon and I bought the charger was $40 on Amazon. So it came out to like $120 for the battery and the charger. And I put the battery in there and I charged the battery up first and then I put it in the machine, and it's self-propelled. It does drive forward great, but it does not turn the blade. So I'm going to check it out and see what's wrong with it, and maybe if you bought one of those battery operated lawn mowers, you may have the same problem. So I figured it might help somebody, and I'm really looking forward to using it because the gasoline and stuff like that, just a little trimming and stuff. So let's check it out and see what we can find out. Okay, please excuse the mess in here. It's a little bit cold outside, and this is where I work at sometime. And when I want to put the heat on, can't keep the whole shop. So I was able to push this button a whole bunch of times really hard, and it started moving. It started working. The blade came on. So I'm thinking the problem's in here. This is a little thing, you pull this back. It's got a 40-volt battery. And there is the battery charger I bought. And in here is the battery that I purchased. And I took a chance, and it's possible that it may not work. Could lose all the cash. But I did push this button a bunch of times, and I held on to this, and it did actually come on. So there's going to be a loose connection somewhere inside here. So what I'm going to do now, it does, if you push this down, it will take off and start moving. But that's no good if it doesn't cut the grass. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open this up right here and see if there's a loose wire or something in there, and maybe we can get it going. If not, well, send it back to the trash. We'll see what happens. So what I did was I loosened up this piece right here and this piece right here, and then I just bent the whole thing over just to get it down so I can get to these little screws here in the back. I'm not really sure what it takes, but I'm going to look for right now and see what we can do to get them out of there. Okay, what it ended up being is a torque, a T20. So I have the T20. I bought this little set from Walmart that I had a couple years ago. Used it one time and it's been sitting around. So I can use it for a second time now. So I got the T20 torque. I'm going to put it in there. Like I said, I pushed this little button down here. Oops. I pushed this little button and I kept pushing it and wiggling the wires. And it started working. So I figured it was worth opening it up. But then it stopped. It wouldn't work no more after that. So we are going to open up here. And maybe if we're lucky, there'll be a loose wire or something in there. For $20 is not bad. I wanted to buy one just to trim the small areas that I can't get to with the riding mower. So let's try it. And I wanted to try an electric one and see how they do. I've never tried an electric lawnmower before. It's self-propelled, but I would never use that. I would just drain the battery real fast. I'd have to. 40-volt battery. If it works, if I can get it going, I'm looking forward to trying it out. See if it compares to the other ones. Probably not. Okay, it's 2. And 3, and there's one more in there. Let's open it up and see what we can find. I should have brought the test meter in here. I didn't bring the test light. Shoot. I'll have to go out and find the multimeter. I was just using it a few minutes ago. Okay. Let's put these to the side. See if it'll come open. Oops, the top part came off. So I get, something fell out. Let me put it back up then. What's this? Okay, I've done it now. It looks like something might be broken. Let's pick it up and see what the deal is with it. Okay, let's put this up. Then we'll pick this back up the way it goes. Uh-oh, that was the bolts. Let's tie this thing tighten this thing up so it'll stay in place. If it tightens up, I don't know. This thing's... Let's see if we can tighten up this side at least, just so we can hold it in place. I'm gonna need two hands. Put the camera down here for a second, like that. Okay. Oh, I see. It's got to go in there, I think. It's a pretty worn out machine, I guess. There we go. Okay, that should hold it for now. Okay, now let's take a look at this right here and see what the deal is. What we got here. Oh my goodness, all the pieces fell out, so hopefully we can get it back together the way it came. Okay, let me see if I can find everything that fell off of it. Okay, let's see what we got here. What's that? Okay, let me find the pieces first. Well, I found a few pieces that I had dropped. I found this stuff right here. So I guess we'll have to see where this stuff goes and if there's anything else missing. But let's test it right now first. I got the battery out of it, but it looks like this right here is some kind of a switch. We'll pull it up. Oh yeah, okay. That's probably some kind of an activation. This probably, it's only 2 wires. So it's probably going to be 2 in and 2 out. Looks like here. It's got 3 wires actually. That's the cap off of it. Let's give it a test. This is, and see what's what. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's got, let's see. Oh, it's the same wire. It's a jumper wire. Okay. Well, let's give it a test and see what happens here. This, so it has 3 wires. A common, off, and on. And I guess this right here. And then it has the push button. Let's check out that little button I have. It had this thing right here that fell off, but I have no idea where it was at. Oh, I see. This one here is part of this mechanism right here. This one probably goes on here somewhere. Yeah, like that. Or like this. Probably goes in there somewhere. We'll see. So when you, oh, but it's gonna have to connect over here to pull something. Oh, maybe it pulls the, we'll have to check it out afterwards. Let's pull it out and take a look at this. Oh, that's probably what this contraption here is for. No idea. Okay, I see this piece here had some slides, so it probably fits in there somehow. This, no idea. Oh, this is for the one on top. So when you push it, in other words, I don't have any idea. We'll figure it out though. Maybe like that. Anyway, let's test the switch first and see if we can get it to work first. Then we'll worry about how that sucker goes. Okay, let's test the switch to see if there's a bad switch there. Okay, we have 3 wires. This one comes in, that's a jumper. Let's see which are which. Let's see. We're gonna put it on continuity. Test the switch first, see? Oh, what happened? My thing bent. Okay, we'll leave it alone for now. Okay, so let's see what happens when we hit the button here. We'll take this off here. like this. I'm gonna try these two first. Okay, put that one here and one there. I'm gonna close it. Okay, that switch works. And then it could possibly have been the spring here. So two of them are going to go out in the motor. So this one here is probably the input right here. This is going to be out to the motor. Let's try it. Make sure there's nothing under it that can get cut up. No wires or anything. So let's pull this out of here. Put the key back in. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Let's see if it comes on when we do this thing here. It does come on, okay. Okay. So that means that the problem's going to be with that spring mechanism, because look at this. It wouldn't come on before. So the switch does actually work then. That's a good thing. So it's got to be something to do with the safety bar. Disconnect that safety key it's got there. Okay. Now, we just got to figure out how this thing goes. This right here goes in there. Somehow came out of there, but it fell out of there. It didn't actually come out of there. And then that other piece, whatever I did with it, let me find the other piece. Okay, it looks like we pulled this one off. Let me see. Looks like this one goes under here. Let's see. I don't recall seeing it come out of there, but this one seems to fit right. Okay. Okay, so it goes like that then. And then that maybe, and this piece probably goes down there. Okay, so that metal piece. This piece here, let's go like this. But what? Oh, it must grab on. I don't know. Let's see. What does it grab onto? Oh, to the top. This one goes here. This one has to go like this, I would say, to catch the cable. Let's take a guess, maybe. Like that. Let's put it on again. See, it has that little hole in there on the cable, like that. What it latches onto, I have no idea. Okay, let's put this one here, like that. Don't see how that's going to hold it though. So something is wrong. Okay. This one probably goes like that, but I don't see. This one goes. Like that. And what stops this one here? Okay, it's in there. This is a safety bar, but how does that? And then pop switch. Unless it goes back the other way. What does this hold on to? No idea. Oh, but let's see. Oh, springs here. Oh, okay, maybe it stops from. Let's check it out. Oh, the spring definitely goes in here like that. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, so this one goes like this. Holds the spring in like that. And that pushes the spring. This one here pulls the spring back in. So this one stays there. So this one's got to go back there somewhere. What does it pull on? This has to pull on something. Once it goes like this, I think I got it. It goes like this, and then it pulls that forward. Yeah, there we go. So this one here has to connect, okay, in here. So it doesn't pull anymore, it must be stretched. Yeah, this one goes here and pulls this one in, and this one goes here. I got it. So when this one pulls down, it's supposed to pull that thing in. When it pulls, it's supposed to pull that in, which pulls that all the way in. Like that. It's supposed to pull it in like that. But it doesn't. So we'll have to make it shorter somehow. Oh, you push this down, and then you pull this. Since it's a little bit worn out, it don't pull completely. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out here. Yeah, and then this one here is down here like this, but it doesn't actually pull. Okay, so this one here should actually come up. When you push the button, you push it down like that, and then you pull this out like that. And it pulls this thing forward. Should pull that forward like that. So that means that this spring has to go on this side then. This thing has to go over here then. I got it. So this here needs to go over here. Or something else is wrong. Let me see. It's a little corroded. So this thing's supposed to pull this. This one here pulls this one. Bam. So let's try the spring on this side here. Yeah, like this. Let's see if it goes through there. No. But it can go like this. Like this here. And the spring like that. Yep, that's the way it goes. Like that. Put that in there. Oh, but upside down. Like that. this one here, like that. That one goes in there like that. Oh, like this here. I got it. It goes like this here. Like that. Then it goes in a little hole there. This one goes down. There we go. Okay. So this goes here, and that one goes in that little hole there. Let's see now. Wow, can't pull it out. You gotta hold it down. Let's see. It's pulling it. Okay, so it has to be inside of that other top part. Okay. Yeah, so this part has to be inside the other piece, otherwise. So we'll pull up out of there. And this little deal here probably goes in that end there. What's that other piece? Oh, right here. And this piece here locks on to the other one. Yeah, so that pops up a little bit. And when that piece pushes it down, is it like this? No, it's like this. That's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, let's find some screws and give it a shot. It's not very good. Looks kind of chaffa. It's not adjusted anymore, so I may have to end up by making this one shorter for it to work properly. But in the meantime, let's put in one of these screws here to make it work. Okay. Okay. I already dropped one. Let's pick it back up. Then we'll give it a shot, see if it works. Okay. Another one on the other corner, just to hold it in place a little bit. What I may end up doing is just modifying it. If it doesn't stay in there, then I'll make it work a different way just to get it going. I mean, I'm going just to cut the grass, trim a little bit. See if it's still in there. Yep, still in there. Let's put this. come out of there. Don't do like I did. Next time, take it out slowly. Don't let it fall apart like I did. Yep, it came loose, so we gotta take it off again. Oh, I know. Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta hold it down like that. And then pull it. Something's probably wrong, but we'll figure it out. Then we'll give it a test. If it works, I may just order all those parts new because these machines are pretty expensive. The little battery operated ones. Don't have to buy any gasoline, just charge it up. Don't have to get a mess and buy carburetors and all that good stuff. See how long it's gonna last. Well, I may just put a switch on it, a regular button, and be done with it. Fix that right there. Okay. Okay. This one. Tighten them up real good. Okay, still got one more screw, but let's just test it first. Okay, a little test. Carefully, so it doesn't come on. Hurt my foot. Okay, so we push it down, pull this. There it goes. Okay, it's working, so you push this down. I guess it just came loose. Okay, looks good. I guess that part just slipped out of there, so it works pretty good. We'll give it a crash test tomorrow. Thanks for watching my short video. Hopefully it will be useful to someone. If you have a second, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot more coming in the future. Have a good one.